Yeah, another excellent triangle pattern. For the last 2 days, we can see. Hello traders, welcome back. We just witnessed another tricky day in Nifty giving a gap up opening and from the falling down, even breaking the previous day's low and then again bouncing back towards the day's high and from the again falling down, even breaking the day's low, right? So that was a really tricky day. The same thing happened with our watch list. And now let's have a quick look at our stocks and how they perform today. So the first stock was Godrej Agro, same as in Nifty, giving a gap up opening and then again falling down, and it got triggered the sell side. We got a breakout towards the sell side, and the first target got triggered, and from there it just bounced back. So that was about Godrej Agro. Yeah, then the next stock was Berger Paints. In fact, it was the best stock. Best performer of the day. That one also breaking towards the sell side. Then all our targets got hit. So that was about Berger Paints. Then Bharti Airtel, again same as Nifty, giving a gap up opening, falling down, triggering the sell side, and the first target got achieved from the bouncing back, and then giving a breakout towards the upper side, and again the upper side target also got hit. Okay, so that was in Bharti Airtel. Then the next stock was Indus Towers. Yeah, that was a fine pick. Again, giving a breakout towards the sell side, and the targets got hit. The next stock was Godrej Consumer Products, and it giving a breakout towards the upper side, and the first target got hit. Okay, so that was about today's trade. And also Indostar Capfin, that one actually hitting our SL. Okay, so that was about today. Okay, and now let's move to the best stocks for tomorrow, best breakout stocks for tomorrow. The first stock in our list is TVs Motors. So the stock was actually in an upper trend for the last couple of weeks, and for the last couple of days it was kind of having a correction, and now it's near to a trend line, which has been, the stock is respecting the trend line for some time now. So we can expect a bounce back from this level. So the levels we are looking out for is above 588, we can look for buying, and our first target is 594 followed by 600. Okay, and our SL will be 585.5. So that was about the buy side, and towards the sell side, if it is breaking below 581, we can look for selling, and our target will be, first target is 574 followed by 568, and the stop loss towards the sell side is 584. Okay, so the levels we are looking out for is above 588 and below 581. So that was about TVS Motors. And the next stock in the list is Sun Pharma. Again another triangle pattern, and we can expect a breakout from this pattern. The levels we are looking out for is above 832.5, we can look for buying with a target of 840 followed by 847. Okay, and our SL will be 829, and if it's breaking towards the lower side, towards the sell side, below 825, we can look for selling opportunities, and our first target will be 818 followed by 812. Okay, and our SL will be 828. So the range we are looking out for is above 832.5 and below 825. So that's about Sun Pharma. Then the next stock in our pick is Mahindra and Mahindra. For the last 1 month, the stock was in an uptrend, and it was following a trend line as a support. And for the last couple of days, it was kind of having a small correction. And for the last 2 days, it is forming a triangle pattern. So we are expecting a breakout from this pattern. The levels we are looking out for is above 928, we can look for buying opportunities, and our first target is 945 followed by 960, and towards the buy side our SL will be 921, and if it's breaking towards the lower side, if it's falling below 910, we can look for selling opportunity. Our target will be 900, and if it's falling below 900, then we can look for very lower ranges. So just trail your SL if it's falling below 900. Okay, and our SL will be 916. So Mahindra and Mahindra, the range is above 928 we can look for buying, and below 910 we can look for selling opportunities. Okay, the next stock in the list is Lupin. Yeah, another excellent triangle pattern. For the last 2 days we can see the stock was kind of consolidating and the level is getting very narrow. So we can expect a powerful breakout from this range. So add this stock and watch out for it. The levels we are looking out for is above 941 we can look for buying, and our first target is 948 followed by 955 with an SL 938. And if it's giving a breakout towards the lower side below 935 we can look for selling. First target will be 927 followed by 920, and our SL will be 938. Okay, so watch out for the range 941 to 935, and correspondingly we can look for buying or selling opportunities. So that was about Lupin. And the next stock in the list is ICSI Securities Limited, ISEC. Again another triangle pattern. So the range we are looking out for is above 835 we can look for buying. First target will be 850 followed by 860, and the SL will be 828. And if it's breaking towards the lower side below 818 we can look for selling, and our target will be 800 with an SL of 824. Okay, so for ISIC the range is between 835 to 818. Okay, and the next stock in our list is Biocon. Again another triangle pattern. As we can see the range is so narrow, so again we can expect a powerful breakout in Biocon. So the range we are looking out for is above 346 we can look for buying. Our first target will be 350 followed by 352 with an SL of 345.5. And towards the lower side, if it's giving a breakdown below 343 we can look for selling. Our first target will be 340 followed by we can trail our stop loss. We can see very lower levels. Okay, and our SL will be 344. So add the stock Biocon. In fact the range is so narrow, so definitely we can expect a powerful breakout from this stock. And the last stock in our list is SIPL. Actually the stock is following a channel pattern. It is getting towards the lower side. The level 900 is a good support level. So if it's falling below 900 we can look for selling opportunity, and we can look for very lower levels. So we can trail our SL, and towards the upper side if it's giving a breakout towards the upper side of the channel, then above 912 we can look for buying opportunity. Our target will be, first target will be 920, then we can trail our target, and our SL will be 910. So that's about SIPL. If you are new to this channel, subscribe us. Also please like, share and comment for this video. That's all. Thank you.